I've had a couple of friends just ask me, oh, Yanni, how do you get this effect going on Illustrator? So I thought I'd just put a quick tutorial together because it's nice and easy. It's just done with the blend tool in Illustrator, and some of you may be already familiar with that. So let's just look at doing that, and yeah, we'll go from there. So I'll switch over to Illustrator. And the key thing here was adding gradients to the object. So for example, just go back to just doing a basic blend, which some of you may be familiar with. Let's just say we've got two objects, and what you got here is the blend tool. So when you select that and you click on one object and you click on another, it will blend from one to the other, and it has some settings. It can either do two things. It can do specified steps, or it can do smooth color. Click preview so you can see that smooth color goes all the way through specified steps. Let's just say if we put in 8 in there, you can see that that's, yeah, put in 8 objects between the two. And so let's just cancel that and go back to the original 2 objects. And there's one other little thing here that I'll show you, which is a little bit different once you start adding gradients to the objects. So I'm just going to add a gradient to the front one. Let's just create a gradient. Yeah, you might try RGB. So you might want to just plan your colors out beforehand, and but we're just going to do some basic ones in here. That's done, and let's move the gradient there. Select this back one here, give it a gradient, give it some new colors. This, just line that off a bit. So we've got two objects now, and we want to blend the two. So I'm going to select the blend tool again. I'm just going to unselect them, sorry, and just click on this one, click on that one, and you can see that it's added the steps going from one to the other. But when we click in here, we want it to be a smooth transition. So we click on smooth color, click preview. You notice that it doesn't actually do that anymore now because we've added gradients to those objects, and I'm using CS6 here, so maybe that has something to do with it. So let's just go into specified steps, and it's a bit of a workaround. We can just type in 999, so it's going to place 999 little objects in there, which gives it that feeling of a clean, continuous blend from one to the other. And so the next part is looking at how we can now add this to a path or a line. So we're just going to draw one out, and I recommend simpler the better. So I'm just going to do a ziggy-zaggy one like that, and just swap that around just so we can see the line of it there. And so this is the easy part, or the easy part and kind of where the magic happens. We can now selection tool, select all of these objects, and up in your top options in the menu there, we've got this blend option, and come down in here it says replace spine. So when we do that, you can see what that happens now. So bang, it just adds that blend path onto that spine or path that we've added there. And the good thing is too, with your selection tools, you can come in and you can manipulate the line and things like that and clean it up a little bit, and you can start to see different effects that it takes. And you can even come in and resize things just to give it a bit more of that looking like it's coming forward. And once again, we can go in and yeah, so you, like any Illustrator object, you can go back in and start working those things. And the good thing is too, you can even come in and work with the gradients as well. So for example, you wanted to just click on the gradient tool there, you can start to manipulate the direction of the colours and things like that. And yeah, you can start to see a nice effect there. You can even come in and add more points to the object as well and start to distort it and things like that. We'll just quickly just give a demonstration of that. So we had a thing here, click on there, and pull that out so we can start to see it's starting to get a bit more different of a shape there. But anyway, that was just, nice, quick and easy. And just for effect's sake, just add a background in there. Drop that back. Which gives it some more depth and interesting lighting. So yeah, nice and easy. You just use the blend tool, adding the blend to a path, and manipulating with gradients and things like that, and gives that nice kind of 3D kind of effect, and also like rendered kind of 3D modeling. That's nice and easy in Illustrator, and doesn't really take any more than 5-10 minutes if you just bashing one out. But if you give it a bit more consideration, it might take a bit longer. Anyway, hope that was helpful. If you got any questions, just please ask.